starting off the evening. She is blonde, she is beautiful. If I were a man, I would want to marry her. Miss Caroline Flynn.
I rules to swim and stars to ignite, and they threw flowers at my feet when I walked through the town. Once upon a time I had lives to protect, I had rules to change and stars to set right, and there were people at my side, and there were rivers I could guide. I wanted nothing in return. Let me out of here, give me back to the let me out of here. Let me please see the sun. Let me out of here. At least tell me what I did wrong. I'm king of the world, chief of the sea, high in the wind. At least I used to be. I'm king of the world. Please set me free. Let me remind them of my promise. Live my given destiny. All my dreams, let me out of here. Let me please see my son. Let me out of here. Don't you understand who I am? I'm king of the world, chief of the sea, high in the wind. At least I used to be. I'm king of the world. Please set me free. Give me the power and the promise. Give me back family. Why are we punished for wanting to explore? Why am I sitting in this cell? I was not challenging the system, I was working for the people. I just tried to make it better. Why are we punished for wanting to survive? Why am I locked behind these bars? At least I used to be.